Hey guys, what's up? This is the Reaper Life and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix most controller support issues on Steam. So if the game says that it has controller support and yet for some reason the game is not detecting the controller, then hopefully this will be a short and easy way to help you guys fix that problem. So for starters, I'm going to say go ahead and close everything. Close out all the games and stuff, or any games you have open, and close Steam all the way down here under your hidden icons tray. Right click it and hit exit, and then start Steam new, fresh launch, and then come in and you're going to want to find this icon up here and hit big picture mode, and it's about to make a loud sound that I'm not going to be able to control, so fair warning, go ahead and turn me down. And yeah, so I'm going to hit big picture mode. Makes a super loud, annoying sound. And what you're going to want to do is go up here and hit this gear icon and go to your settings, and then find controller settings. And under controller settings, you just want to check PlayStation configuration support and Xbox configuration support. And yeah, that's it. That's the quick and easy way to fix your controller support problems on Steam. So hopefully that works for you guys. If not, then the game probably doesn't offer controller support. And yeah, but yeah, I hope that helped you guys. Feel free to leave a like, comment, or subscribe, or other ways on how to fix controller support issues in the comments. Help other people out is much appreciated. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Take care.